We do roofing projects on residential houses. Shingle roofs are usually 1 to 2 days. Most jobs are actually just 1 day. Metal roofs on houses are usually 2 to 5 days. And flat roofs could be 1 day up to months, depending on the size of the project, if it was a commercial job. When customers ask us how long, an interior build-back job will take us after typically water losses, the dollar amount kind of dictates how long it's going to take us, but what is a bigger factor even over the contract total on interior losses is the amount of trades, which is, increases the amount of coordination needed. So interior losses could take anywhere from, a month to 6 months. Depending on how big of an interior loss that it is. But usually on average, our interior losses would be anywhere from 2 months to 3 months, maybe 4 months. But if anybody's ever unhappy, they can call the office and we'll do our best to satisfy them.